Okay, the camera is set. थोड़ा और properly set. Okay, done. Okay, so I'm planning for the next tour, and it's going to be the southern part of India, and here I am trying to pack my stuff. So just a quick video आपके लिए as to what I'm taking with myself, what I feel is important, और मेरे हिसाब से क्या ज़रूरी है ट्रिप में ले जाना. So let's begin. So first and foremost, what I do is I always carry two sets of my tickets. One goes in my backpack, another one goes in my luggage. So just in case कुछ हो जाए or you lose one of the ticket copies in transit, you have one in the backup, and of course you have one in your mobile phone. But still, you're in India, so सब जगह mobile पे दिखाना it's may not be allowed or may not be acceptable. So I always carry extra tickets. So I'm going to do a quick review of what I'll be taking along with me, as I said. Second thing would be I'm going to the southern part of India, so it is still raining there. So I'm carrying this raincoat. It's a poncho basically, so it will cover my bag and myself, and it's like a huge open thing which I'm carrying with me. Along with me would also be an umbrella, but umbrella would be in my luggage, so only if in case I have to go like thoda आस पास जाना है, so I can use the umbrella. Next would be pair of good shoes. I'm carrying my Nikes with me to roam around during my travel, and carrying my regular slippers just in case I need. I normally carry my money belt, but this time I'm carrying a waist pack, which is quite good to carry my purse, to carry the cell phone, and I've got it from the F Gear, which is one of the very good companies for your camping and travel gears. Next, a water bottle, extremely important. What else I'll be carrying? Okay, my charger. Okay, this I found in DMart. It's a body wash from Godrej. So a quite interesting one. It's just a bottle and it has this refill pack. Just fill the bottle halfway and just pour it in, and your body wash is ready. So need not carry like soap or buy soaps locally. I mean, I prefer to go much lighter from the beginning. So this is basically, once I'm done, it's done. So I need not get anything back with me. My toiletry kit, which also has medicines. These are foldable napkins. Just pour water in it and it'll bloom. And again, other stuff, tissues, some medicines, so on and so forth. Okay, this is a very interesting thing which I've got. Okay, this is your backpack, and you can actually mount your GoPro on this. So this is removable. Mount your GoPro, put a screw, and you can actually put it on your backpack like this, and you can roam hands-free. This will be on your shoulder here. So this is one of the very good things which I bought on Amazon, of say around 400 rupees. Few napkins, hand towels. Okay, I always carry extra pair of socks with me, so it's very essential. Even though the COVID is over, I still use mask. So this is one of the masks which I'm carrying. लेकिन और भी मेरे पास मास्क है, वो मैं कैरी करने वाला हूँ. Sanitizer, of course, extremely important. Okay, this is what I will carry, but not the entire dabba. I will carry these Threptin biscuits in case I feel hungry. second, how do I open it? So these maybe one of two cases of these Repton biscuits. I think this would be good enough. And my watch. So ये मोटा मोटा मैंने आपको बताया कि मैं क्या कैरी करने वाला हूँ. I am thinking of carrying my iPad just in case during the transit, if I feel like watching something or maybe editing my videos, I may use this. So I always carry this whenever I travel. And yeah, so this is my carry on. So I'll be going around in this when I'm traveling. And this is actually my main backpack. This is a 55-liter backpack from the company Feel, and I have been carrying this for a couple of my last trips which I have done. Like when I went to Goa or when I went to Calcutta, I did carry this. So it's like not very heavy, but yeah, don't fill it with a lot of stuff. So it will be good on your shoulders because the shoulder pads here are quite soft, and it also has this waist belt, so it will be like very good for you to carry. I will also carry my cap. It's a waterproof cap, a nylon cap, so would be good for rains as well. So overall, these are the stuffs which I'll be carrying with me. And if you feel that I've missed something, or if you want me to add certain things more in the backpack, please feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you soon in the videos and on my Instagram reels and on my Facebook page. Where I'm going, I'll be keeping a secret at this point of time, but you'll come to know as and when I keep on updating my videos and my locations. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please comment on my video. Thank you so much.